Today is the 28th February 2021, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging call. The topic today is abuse. I'm so excited to hear, I'm so excited to be here for abuse. How funny is that? How weird is that? Abuse and fun don't go together, do they? Do they go together? No, or do they not? Who decides what's fun and what's not? Would all of you please unmute yourself and say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi. Hi.
Kamal.
Hi. 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 My nanny used to say, why
Hi.
say hi? Say hello.
Say hello. Yes.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Kyun karna? Yes, lovely to see you guys. Thank you for getting up early, and these days it's cold in North. I don't know how many of you are in North, but it's
Yeah,
getting
Delhi
warm.
is getting warm.
Yeah, it's getting warm. Even Chandigarh is getting warm. Yeah,
And Raipur, we have the fan zone.
I know you people. Warm in Pune also. So, guys, what about abuse? Who was the one who was asking for abuse? Is she here?
I really wanted it to happen because for a longest time, I think I've been looking at when can I get the abuse hold wala pen drive, or can I get out this thing? And today, just imagine, last Sunday I missed and today it is abuse.
Somebody asked for it. You put it in their head. Who asked for it? Can somebody?
Hi.
Uh,
Hello.
okay. So you are iPhone setting M? What
Yes,
do you have a name? Or it's the phone?
Manisha.
Hello. What's your name? Hi, Indraji.
Hi, well, somewhere when while I was logging in, I saw your graphic and I read the word and I was like, okay, wow. So I just read it and somewhere it was there here. Thank
No,
you.
but somebody asked, and I said, why not?
Okay.
So it Manisha asked. So Manisha, you are the one who's going to ask the first question. Okay, so all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors and all the points of views that you come here to for this 1 hour and think that everything is going to be sorted, are you willing to sort all that out, or are you willing to are you thinking that somebody else or this 1 hour is going to sort it out? It's you who's going to sort it out. So everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and undo? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all night, short, boys, and beyond. And please lower your barriers. And all my life, I thought, what thought? I did so many modalities where they used to say, hit the pillow, or do VD. Can you put it on mute, please? Can all of you put it on mute? Put yourself on mute, darlings. So all the workshops.
Good morning, Kamal.
Good morning. And all the workshops that I went to, we were talking about abuse. So all the workshops that I went to, I heard people were talking about, whenever they were talking about abuse, there used to be a lot of crying and a lot of drama and a lot of uh, the the facilitator used to say, bring it up, punch the bag, kick, things like that. And at the end, I would um, be aware of that. are those people, and sometimes they were close to me, and sometimes I would see them being more depressed, diagnosed as bipolar, sleep wasn't very good, and they were not functional as such in day-to-day life, even after all these workshops. So why am I telling you this? Because after coming to Access, I recognize and realize that it doesn't have to be so hard. If somebody tells you that you have to relive it, you have to go through it again, you have to remember it, you have to write it, you have to share it. I mean, really? Really? Is that really true for you? Whatever anybody else is saying is just an interesting point of view. What do you know? Every point of view that we hold on to is what? Is a story, is history, is experience. Do you want to hold on to experiences, stories, and histories? Those are not working for you. And after coming to Access, I actually got more and more aware of that it was so easy to let go. No need to hold on to it. I could change it. I could change it with not giving any energy to it. I could change it by not giving any significance to it. I could change it by laughing it off, by not making it, when you laugh it off, you're not making it so important in your life. I've seen it in myself. We don't only every whatever comes in your mind when you think of abuse, what if it isn't that? And what if it is beyond that? And what if it is something different than that? And what if it is not opposite, but something different? Are you willing to look at it? What is it? And it's not only just abuse with body, physically, monetarily, psychologically, mentally, whatever you can give names. We give so much of abuse to ourselves. So we have these magical tools that we can use to be more of us in every now moment, to be more of who we choose to be. There is no need to suffer, guys. There is no need to suffer through life. What if the purpose of taking a body embodiment was all fun, was all joy? What if there was no, would you go on a holiday and suffer? What if this was a beautiful planet that you come for a holiday for? And you have invited other people also to join you. So get your bars run to create something that you would have liked to create, that you know that you can create, that tape goes on in your head that there has to be something different. You have your own words. I have there something different. You can say, ye to nahi ho sakta. You can say, kuch to aur hoga. Everywhere we have chosen and everywhere we've learned that hard work is what gives you fruit, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes,
right?
yes.
Boys, and give up the drama, guys. Who would we be? Who would we, each one of us would be, if we did not have this point of view that hard work is necessary, the struggle is necessary, no pain without, no gain without pain. All those are lies that we buy from this reality, guys. And it becomes our identity. It becomes who we are then. Gitu, are you talking to me? You have to unmute yourself to talk, darling.
I just ठीक है ना, interesting. This is also interesting.
Interesting. I do it many times.
Yeah, I'm like I'm getting butterflies in my stomach right now, and I'm giggling of what you say, and I'm like, what the F? And let
I
go, let go,
know.
let go. Yeah.
I swear. Everywhere we love having problems to solve and overcome. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right? Wrong, good,
Yes.
bad, awkward, on a short.
Yes.
I did that for years.
Kamal, wherever we have defined abuse, whatever, till this moment, I would like to destroy and uncreate all the definition that I have regarding it and whatever I've kept in this body right now, right away. So let's
Yeah.
just frack it, and
Lifetime of shit.
eternity. Yes. Thank you so much. It's already, it's bringing so much of joy.
Yeah.
The way we say, the whole body language is changing as you're speaking right now. Thank you so much for being a great contribution. Thank you.
Thank you. You know, I sometimes when I have a क्या बोलते हैं shovel वो खेत में, तो whenever I
Shovel.
have that in my hand, I pick up something and I say, shit off, shit, shit off, no more. Okay. So, guys, any questions? We can't go forward if you don't have questions. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so I have a question for you. Tell me all those areas where you allowed abuse on you. And please, do you have a question, Manisha? Because you're the one who asked and you're not asking me a question. What made you ask abuse?
Hello.
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 Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
So come
Are
on,
you hearing me?
first of all, before I even talk to you, I want to see your face. Yes. Now.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm very new. I'm very new in this access consciousness. 2-3 months ago, I have joined, so I'm not knowing many more things. But I'm feeling very great. Who has given me this opportunity to join in this group? Abuse has been a great problem for me, and I'm getting abused from many words. Means I'm talking about words that I am listening. Abusive words, not physical abuse at all. Thank God. But words that I'm hearing, I'm really fed up of it. And from last 2-3 months, there is a change. All the time I'm saying what else is possible. But while saying this, all the time I'm afraid. Else possible will be good or it will be more worse than this.
So you are afraid of what?
I'm afraid of the things that have happened in past.
And you think they will happen again?
No, not like that. As you said, I have tried many modalities like Louis, secret, meditation, but here I am very comfortable in this access consciousness. I don't know many things because since last 2 3 months only I'm uh, in this group in Sunday meeting.
You're welcome. And I want to ask you, what made you say कि abuse रखो topic? आपको क्या लगा? आपने क्यों
Abuse
एकदम से बोला abuse topic रखो?
बिकॉज 2 3 दिन पहले ऐसा हुआ काफी दिनों के बाद वी both of us are staying together, my husband and myself. I have one daughter. She's also staying with us, and my husband's language is very abusive. He used to give abuse many times. And what is that energy that is attracting these bullshit in my life? I really don't understand.
What made you stay on? Did you see abuse growing up?
Yes, he was. I don't know whether all these things are said in this group or not, but my husband was.
Okay, if you don't want to,
No, I can.
okay, go ahead. Because this is 1 minute. I must tell everybody that this is going to be on YouTube.
Okay, fine.
So if you're okay with it, fine. Otherwise, you can close your what do you call? I mean, you can
Video.
video. You can take off your video and say a different name or whatever. So you can do that also. If you don't want others to hear it, others
No,
to know
no,
who's saying it.
I'm comfortable.
Okay, cool.
No problem.
Get any better than this.
I'm
That is
working.
the one. That is the first step you have taken, girl. I am. We are all with you. I am with you. And let's change it. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank
At the workplace also, I'm very confident. I'm very good in my work. But there are some girls, many ladies are there with me. We are working in educational institute, and they are also, they all the time they insult me, and I don't know why I tolerate all these things. I prepare very good food, but when I
Acha,
serve it
so
to
okay,
my
1 minute. 1 minute. Let's not go into the stories. So you said that you get abuse at home, and you
yes,
said you also get abuse at the workplace.
yes,
So who is one here who gets abuse from everywhere? You.
me, yes.
So isn't it something we need to ponder on, that what is it in me that invites abuse? What is it in me that makes me dance to the other's tune? So, do you always want to be loved? Always want to be cared for? Do you always want approval? Do you always want to prove yourself?
No, it's not like that. The only thing is, I want security, and I don't know in what the security is. Means faith is less in the higher power or universe.
Your
I
faith.
think my job is my security. That's what I feel till date. If
No,
my
this is
husband
a
is
1 minute. Security is a different thing. आप लोग आपको अब्यूज क्यों करते हैं? क्या आप चाहते हो कि वो उनको कुछ प्रूव करो? क्या आप चाहते हो कि वो आप कहीं बिलोंग करो? क्या आप चाहते, मैं जब ये बोल रही हूं तो आप अपनी बॉडी में
yes,
नोटिस कीजिए कि जब मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, क्या वो चीज, कौन सी चीज लाइट होती है और कौन सी चीज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है. आई विल से इट अगेन. Are you a people pleaser?
No. No.
So can you tell me an incident where people abuse you besides home? घर के बाहर जब आप ऑफिस में जाते हैं तो किस बात के ऊपर वो आपको कुछ बोलते हैं?
I was opening one office. There are many offices at my workplace. I was opening with the kids, and one day one lady said, "Please don't enter this," and I got insulted.
नहीं तो
And
आपने उसको पूछा नहीं क्यों ना एंटर करें?
मुझ में इतने गट्स नहीं है किसी को क्यों पूछने के.
नहीं, आप कहते हो आप अपने काम में बहुत माहिर हो.
Yes, yes. I'm working there since last.
So what
many
made
years.
her say that?
It's a. I will
कोई
have to
पहली
think.
कहानी, कोई पुरानी कहानी है उसके साथ?
नहीं, पुरानी कहानी नहीं है. She like that only. And I used to pray when I joined Axis. I used to pray for her.
One minute. So 1 minute. आप नोटिस करो आप क्या कह रहे हो. आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि ये ऐसी ही है.
हाँ.
और आपको अभी तक मेरे ख्याल 2-3 महीने में ये पता लग गया होगा कि योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्रिएट्स योर रियलिटी.
यस.
ये एक्सेस में हम बार बार बोलते हैं कि जो हम सोचते हैं वो हो जाता है.
हाँ.
तो जो आप पहले से ही आपने सोचा हुआ है कि ये अब्यूसिव है, इसकी ऐसी ही बोलती है ये, तो अगर ये आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है तो आपको यही रिसीव होगा.
ओके, सो आई विल हैव टू चेंज माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
तो घर में भी आपका ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि आदमी को ज्यादा पावर है औरत से, कि वो कुछ भी कर लेता है. और बचपन से, इसलिए मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि बचपन से आपने किस किस को देखा है जो अब्यूज देखा है. आपने कहा हाँ देखा है. तो वहां पे जब आप बचपन में अब्यूज देखा था तो क्या आपको लगता था कि आदमी तो ऐसा ही होता है?
There are two controversies. My uncle was abusive and my father was very docile. I had a very secure, very nice family. My father, mother, two brothers.
1 minute. We're not going into stories. I'm just asking the question.
Sorry.
And just answer the question. जब आपने ये grow up करते हुए देखा that you saw abuse, what was your point of view? That men are abusive?
No.
So what, you have to tell me what was your point of view about men. Did you think that men are very nice?
Yes, my father was very nice. My brothers are nice. But I got married to an alcoholic.
You got married to an alcoholic and he was abusive.
Yes.
So
I was knowing it.
I am Access is very clear about your point of view creates your reality. So what are your point of views? I got married to an alcoholic. My point of view was कि जो शराब उठाएगा मैं उसके साथ शादी ही नहीं करूंगी. जो पीता मैं उससे शादी ही नहीं करूंगी. What you resist persists. I was shocked when I got married कि ये बंदा तो पहले दिन से ही पौवा पीता था. So जो चीज का आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो ही आपके सामने आता है. It is nothing to do with karma. It's nothing to do with people are bad. It's nothing to do with, it's only when we have a point of view and we want to change it, we see the same thing right in front of us. So now we can change it. पर ये रियलिटी में कोई नहीं बताता. हमें रियलिटी में ये बताते हैं कि इसको गलत मान लो, ये तो गलत है, ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है. This is happening to me. This is karma. But this is not true. Truth is, my point of view creates my reality. all those points of views about मैं शराबी अच्छे नहीं होते, शराब के मैं शराब वाले से तो कभी शादी नहीं करूंगी, मुझे बिल्कुल से मिलना नहीं है, and you will notice that everybody, all those people in different faces will come in front of you again
Yeah.
and again. बहुत लोग एक अल्कोहलिक को छोड़ के दूसरी बार शादी कराते हैं, वो फिर भी दूसरा भी अल्कोहलिक होता है. कितनी बार हमने ये सुना है. बॉडी
Yes.
डिफरेंट होएगी पर बंदा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विल बी द सेम. द इश्यू इज नॉट अबाउट who, what, where, when, why, how. The issue is, what are my points of view? जितनी बार हम ये कहानी पढ़ते जाएंगे कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा होता है, वो आपके साथ ही ऐसा होगा. The day you change it, the day you say, I am not choosing this, the day you demand of you that this has to change, it's changing now. There are people waiting.
Okay.
You can change it. बट इस रियलिटी में ऐसे ही होता है, आदमी तो ऐसा ही होता है, ये तो पिए वाला ऐसे ही होगा, ये. सो वी कीप सफरिंग because we think that is the right thing to do, that is a martyr thing to do, that is a victim thing to do.
Kanwal, can I ask you?
Okay.
Can I finish with her first?
Okay.
So is it clear, Manisha? You're
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So please, we have lots of tools, we have lots of questions, we have lots. One, don't run the story in your head. जो गया, bygones are bygones. हो गया. अब उसको मैंने चेंज करना है. तो चेंज करने के लिए हम, अगर हम एक दाल एक तरीके से बनाते, मैं हमेशा फूड पे आ जाती हूँ, अगर दाल एक चीज से बनाते हैं और आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती और आप दूसरे किसी के घर में जाते हो और आपको दाल वो अच्छी लगती है, आप कहते हो मैं आगे से ऐसी ही बनाऊंगी, लेकिन जब बनाने लगते हो आप फिर वैसी बना लेते हो जैसे हमेशा आप नहीं बनाते. तो ये जो स्टोरी है ये भी ऐसे ही है. हम कहते हैं हम नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन सुबह उठते सार हमारे दिमाग में वही कहानी चलनी शुरू हो जाती. इसने ऐसे किया, उसे ऐसे किया, वैसे किया, मैंने क्या किया, मेरे साथ क्यों आई, वो कहानी नहीं चलानी. If you want to change it, you have to change it, and you are the one who's going to change it. Nobody else can change it for you. So one, never run a story, never listen to a story. And the second is ask questions. Magic can show up in your reality, in your house.
Thank you so much.
So it's so possible to create a different reality if you desire. You are the one. Thank you for asking the question.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You are in the group now, so please write your questions there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
If you have
Thank
any, even during the week, if you have any questions, please write them there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, Usha.
I got the answer already at the last session. जो बीत गया सो बीत गया. उसको
जो बीत गया सो बीत गया. उसको आप कहानी पढ़ते रहोगे तो वो आता जाएगा. उसको इनवाइट करते जाओगे तो वो कहाँ जाएगा, वो वापस आ जाएगा. वो कहेगा ये देखो मैं तो यही हूँ, तुमने बुलाया और मैं चला आया.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Kamal, can I ask a question?
Yes, Sagri.
Yeah. See, you said that I will never marry an alcoholic. Okay, that's a point of view. So when you say that, how is it that alcoholics show up? I would like some little clarity on that.
Because it has to. universe doesn't have, universe is very weird. It's got a very funny sense of humor, a weird sense of humor. It doesn't listen to naha, yeah, right, wrong, good, bad, no, yes. It just listen to alcoholic. Here it is.
Okay, so it's
Haven't
not
you-
a good idea to say I
haven't
don't
you
want
said
this.
I never, haven't you heard we say never say never?
Okay. So your ask should be in a positive statement, right?
Your ask should be which does not have an answer. Question
Okay.
is a question when you don't know the answer. When I say I don't want to marry or I don't want to deal with alcoholics or somebody who drinks, I didn't even know the word alcoholic. I just didn't. Indian movies में वो पी के घूमते हैं और बकवास करते हैं, मेरे को उससे ये लगता था ऐसा तो कभी नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So when you say that, the universe says this one is giving so much of energy to it. That means she loves it. Let me give more of the same energy to her. So when you're asking an open question, what would I like my life to look like? Can you even fathom what it will be? You can only fathom the energy of it.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
But in that money workbook, money isn't a problem, you are. That is written, I don't want money, I don't want money, 10 times. Repeat karne ka. Get married with alcohol people.
So
can.
want is lack. Universe hears lack. Universe hears, when you say I don't money, universe hears I don't lack money. I already have plenty. Universe says, okay, give it to her. Let's give her more of what she's asking for. You say you want money, then you say you lack money. Then universe says, इसको lack चाहिए, इसको lack देते हैं. When you say I don't want money, you are saying I don't lack money. मेरे पास तो बहुत है, मुझे तो किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है, मैं तो abundant हूं. तो यूनिवर्स कहता है इसको और abundance दूं मैं. Are you getting it?
Yeah, that is in money workbook, right? Now, if for marriage, I said, I don't want marriage. Is it also lack? I mean to say,
I don't want marriages, I don't lack marriage. मतलब आपके पास तो बहुत आप तो कंप्लीट हो, आपको चाहिए ही नहीं है, आप तो शादीशुदा ही हो, तो फिर दूसरी बार शादी करोगे क्या?
oh,
You're saying I don't want marriage, I don't lack marriage. That means I'm already married. I'm happy the way I am. So would you be marrying again? The universe will not give you a guy to marry. Send you somebody for you. Send somebody for you.
so if somebody wants to marry but not alcoholic, so asking
So
the
you can say what energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have a nurturing, caring, contributive, expansive, fun to be with in my life. Now, it could be everything. It could be a man, it could be a house, it could be cars, it could be money, it could be joy, it could be you want plenty of everything, which is nurturing, caring, contributive, and expansive. It includes you. Are you being that to yourself? If you are being that to yourself, you don't even need to ask. everything that matches that energy will come to you like a magnet. You become the magnet of joy, of that energy that you are being. If you are being that nurturing energy for you, if you're being that caring energy for you, if you're being that expansive energy for you, nothing that is not expansive can come into your world. Everything that is expansive will just come like magic into your life. If you're cribbing all the time, you can't ask. सुबह से लेके शाम तक क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहो और सारा टाइम आप क्रिब करते हो, मैं क्वेश्चन तो पूछ रही कुछ हो नहीं रहा, मैं क्वेश्चन तो पूछ रही कुछ हो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला डार्लिंग.
So it means that be the energy of what you desire.
That's simple. You be the energy of what you would like to be, to have, to create, to generate. More and more and more and more of that will show up in your life. And all of life will come to you with ease, joy, and glory. No story required. What else is possible? Joy is where you are being. You are being you. The only reason we have abusive people in our life is to try and make myself, if I don't want abusive people in my life, I require to make myself more aware and present in every now moment. But हम aware होते नहीं हैं. We give ourselves up, and they abuse us. वो कहते हैं, गैरी कहते हैं कि अब्यूज उसी को वही होता है जो प्रे है, जो अलर्ट नहीं है, जो अवेयर नहीं है, जो प्रेजेंट नहीं है, जो इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि ओह लोग तो खराब ही है, ओह मेरे को तो कुछ कर देगा कोई. If somebody is abusing, somebody is doing judgment to you and you listen to their judgment, you are abusing you. You buy into their judgment. तुम तो ऐसी हो, हाँ मैं तो ऐसी हूँ. You abuse. उसने क्या करना है? आपने ही अपने आप को abuse कर दिया. When you are caring for yourself, the world will follow suit. Everybody who comes in your life will take care of you. कोई भी चीज डेलिकेट है, आप लेके आते हो, क्रिस्टल लेके आते हो, आपको कितने प्यार से उसको रखते हो. कोई भी आता जाता उसको देखता है, उसका ध्यान रखेगा, नर्चर करेगा उसको. You become that precious, that Swarovski, that crystal, that gold, yourself, for people to value you. Hello, am I making any sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaval, another question.
Yes.
What about, can you talk a little bit about children who are verbally, physically, and sexually abused?
Yeah, child abuse. I read it somewhere. It is shocking, actually, the statistics about children, about child abuse in United States. We think in India it's more. In United States, every 10 seconds, a report of child abuse is made in USA. 4 to 7 children die every day on average as the result of the abuse or neglect. It's pretty overwhelming. But we just sit in our drawing rooms and say overwhelmed, and nothing changes. If every one of us asks that question to ourselves, can we change this? Who is doing this? People who have been abused. There was one person who was abused and who abused children, and he was caught and he was put behind bars. That guy came to one of the access classes and he shared that I thought, because I enjoyed it when I was small, and I thought everybody enjoys it. See how we function?
Ask a question,
See, yes, please go ahead.
ma'am. तो children के case में
पहले तो अपनी शक्ल दिखानी पड़ती है यहाँ पे जब क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. जब क्वेश्चन पूछते हो तब शक्ल दिखा दो, नहीं तो बेशक मत दिखाओ. हाइड रखो अपने आप को. जिंदगी में ऊपर उठना चाहते हो तो डोंट हाइड योरसेल्फ. हाँ जी, बताओ.
तो मैम जैसे चिल्ड्रन के केस में जैसे ऐसा होता है यानी कि जिस भी अभी हमने एडल्ट के केसेस में बात किया कि चिल्ड्रन भी वो होना चाहते हैं, मतलब गेटिंग अब्यूज्ड, मतलब वो तो बहुत स्मॉल होते हैं और बहुत इतना उनको अपने आप पे कंट्रोल नहीं होता, उनके अपनी लाइफ पे, या मतलब वीक होते हैं, वीक इन द सेंस फिजिकली, या बता नहीं पाते अपनी बात. तो इस केस में कैसे कहेंगे हम?
हम लोग सोचते हैं छोटे बच्चे जो हैं उनको नहीं कुछ पता, बट दे आर बिग बॉडीज इन स्मॉल, बिग सोल्स इन स्मॉल बॉडीज. ये आपने सुना है कि हम 84 हमारे इंडिया में तो बोलते हैं ना, 84 लाख जून जी के आते हैं, सब कुछ हम होते हैं. ये भी आपने बोला है कि बॉडी, आपको पता है कि बॉडी तो चली जाती है पर जो भी हमारे संस्कार हैं वो हमारे अंदर रहते हैं. और ये भी आपको पता है कि अगर हमने जो हम इस जन्म में कर रहे हैं वो हमने बहुत जन्मों में किया हुआ है. ये सब पता है कि नहीं?
यस मैम.
So, हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि वो छोटे बच्चे हैं? Maybe they have come to take revenge. Maybe they have come to teach anybody a lesson. Maybe they have come to save people. Maybe they have come to prove people that they are strong. Who knows?
नहीं नहीं बना दो.
Please, would you please mute yourself, Harshita? Please, darling, please mute yourself, Harshita, please. Harshita, please mute your Harshita. Please mute yourself. Oh my God, she's not even listening.
I have messaged her also.
चावल भिगा दी.
She's not
वो
seeing.
चावल बना रही है, मैं क्या करूं? Harshita, please keep, everybody please keep yourself mute. Please. Thank you.
दाल खिलाई थी पहले और उसने चावल खिला दिए. दाल चावल हो गए ना.
दाल चावल तो बन गए ना.
आज आपने गोभी से बचा दिया. लिटरली आपने गोभी से बचा दिया, वरना गोभी खा खा के ना मैं तंग आ चुकी थी हर एक एग्जांपल के. आज आपने दाल खिलाई. आई वाज लाइक हाउ डज इट गेट एनी बेटर? नेक्स्ट टाइम पनीर हो जाए. पनीर नेक्स्ट टाइम बस.
All right. Okay, somebody was asking, Hanji. So, did you get the answer?
Yes ma'am.
So you need to ask a
Yes,
question.
ma'am, I got the answer. But yes, कि अगर children जैसे अगर वो इस lifetime में लेकिन उसको मतलब I don't know how to express कि कोई भी छोटे बच्चे अगर हैं और वो चलो अच्छा उन्होंने पिछली lifetime में कहीं कुछ ऐसा किसी के साथ किया होगा गलत, that's why they are facing this problem. So उनको
What if it
हम
wasn't a
फिर
problem? What if it wasn't a problem? What if they had come here, they've come here to teach or teach, not teach, they've come here to help that person who is abusive. What if they know that if they, to heal them? Yeah, Dane says he was abused when he was small and he recognized that he healed those people who abused him. They never did that again. So is that a problem?
Okay, means वो उनका medium बन गया उनको heal करने के लिए, like we always say कि
Everywhere you're trying to define that. Get the energy of it. We have this idea that we have to do something in order to prove that we are being something. People just do abusive things to themselves or to others as a way of proving that they are being themselves. They are stronger. Most people do abuse as doing it in order to prove that they are strong. When they actually feel weak as hell inside. So who is to decide? There is no definition. There is no, इसने ऐसे ही किया होगा, ये तो ऐसा ही है. Ask a question. What do I need to know here? What's going on?
Thank you, ma'am.
We spend a whole life to define things, to define people. Choosing something that will create better, greater. No. हम लोगों को खुश करने के लिए भी कितना कुछ कर देते हैं. हम अपनी तरफ से बड़ा कुछ कर रहे होते हैं, वो दूसरे के लिए अब्यूज ही होता है. माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for asking the question. Hanji, anybody here?
Hi, can I say something?
Yes, please go ahead.
You said very rightly, when I am aware, I cannot take abuse. When abuse is going on, means words are coming to me, I'm not aware. That's what I remember.
You're not present, you're not aware, you're making the other person right, you're making yourself wrong, you are choosing million other things that you could avoid choosing.
Yes, and I was going in stories.
Yeah.
But
we go into
from
story.
today, definitely I will stop going in stories.
Yeah.
And now I'm present here. Otherwise, when I'm in the class, I'm remembering the things that had happened in the week.
Yeah.
But now I'm here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. A tight hug. Hey guys, you have some 9 minutes to go. Any burning questions? और हर टाइम ये जो अब्यूज की स्टोरी होती है, ये इट्स मच बिगर देन वी थिंक. It can create great change and possibility if we look at not from our point of view, not from this reality's point of view, but hi, how are you, little one? Hi, कैसे हो?
ठीक हूँ.
बढ़िया. आजकल छुट्टी है कि स्कूल खुल गया?
बोलो कल से एग्जाम्स.
कल से एग्जाम्स है.
All the best. Exams, छोटा छोटा baby exams. एग्जाम को हो जाना, उसको इतना बड़ा मत बनाना. तुम बड़े हो, ठीक है?
से बाय.
बाय.
बाय बाय डार्लिंग. And secret and shame, ये दो चीजें, जिसके साथ भी कैसा भी कोई अब्यूज हुआ होता है, हम उसको अंदर रख के एक बड़ा पहाड़ खड़ा कर देते हैं. हम सोचते हैं कि शायद उससे हम ठीक हो जाएंगे, पर ऐसा नहीं होता. We need to face it. We need to choose, come right in front of it. उसके पास कोई पावर नहीं है, फिर आपके पास पावर है सारी. पूरी that potency, that power of facing it, is it within you? वो तो बहुत छोटा है, वो आपसे बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Like she said, when you choose to be unaware, that's when people abuse you and hurt you. If you're aware, you won't ever be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Anytime anybody makes you wrong, or anytime you make somebody else wrong, or anytime you make you wrong, that's abuse. Criticism is abuse. There is no constructive criticism. There is only criticism. Anybody criticizing you, or you criticizing your children, or anybody, is abuse. और जब कभी भी कोई ऐसा भी कोई अब्यूज, क्रिटिसाइज, ब्लेम, गेम, कुछ भी हो रहा है, पहली चीज तो ये रिकॉग्नाइज करने वाली है कि वो केयरिंग नहीं है. डोंट गो विद इंडियन मूवीज. थप्पड़ मारा, ये तो प्यार करता है, मुझे अपना समझता है. ये पिक्चरों ने हमारा बेड़ा गर्क किया हुआ है. And if children never received beating, or they will never give it away. If people never, what you get, you think it's like, I was shocked when I heard that man who had spent 5 years in jail. He was in access class. He was telling his story, and he was saying that I did it because I thought that the person will like it. So Access says, don't treat children or any people the way you were treated. Treat them the way you would have wanted to be treated. And give so much of caring and love to each and everyone that you can only do when you are in allowance, that you can only do when you don't have a point of view. With that you can only do when you see you in everybody, when it's a we universe, when it's oneness universe, then you will care for people. People were never given caring and loving. How can they give it? They can't give it. I would like to see everyone being so cared that they in turn cared, and the life on planet Earth would actually change. Insanity that's growing here would just change. मेरी गाल गर्म हो गई. So,
Kaval, sip in some water. You've been talking non-stop.
thank you. Yes, Usha.
No, I mean to say it's better to let it go and be in awareness.
Be in awareness is beautiful. Let it go is beautiful. But let it go, what does let it go mean? What do you mean by let it go?
To let it go means like our points of views.
Can you let them go? Have you tried letting them go?
Hard.
Do we actually let them actually let go?
You can only let them go when you recognize that that we live in one world, and where, if it is in my universe, when and where have I done that? If you're never judging, if you're never complaining, yes, you can let go. But to reach that place, you have to know that you are an infinite being, and so are everybody else. If you cannot make or never made or never will make a mistake, even the others haven't made a mistake. What's right about this? I'm not getting. You're functioning from a we universe. You're functioning not from I. मेरे साथ हुआ, उसके साथ हुआ. You're functioning from we universe.
Like last time, there was an incident, like you said, we are functioning from we as a one universe, like that, right? So my cousin got pain on the right side. My body is also taking that point of view, that it is burden, and then that pain is there. So when that person let me know about that, then I say, am I perceiving his energy or I'm taking his energy? So how to avoid all that? I mean to say,
You're beautiful. You asked that question, you avoid it. By asking, by being aware. Only two things: present, be aware, be conscious, and ask a question. Don't buy into the stories. When you go into this line of thinking, you are stuck. मैं अकेला क्या कर सकता हूँ, मैं तो कुछ नहीं. Of course, तथास्तु, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But the person who says that I can change it and I will change my life and I can change, not from fight. हमारी यहाँ planet पे fight against child labor, fight against girl child, fight against, hasn't helped. वो उसको इतनी energy देते हैं हम कि वो और बढ़ती जाती है. AIDS, टेररिज्म, एक बार टेररिज्म को इतनी एनर्जी दी थी कि इट वाज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. So what you give energy to persists. But when you start choosing you and start creating, like we said in the beginning, start nurturing and caring for you, it will ooze out, it will flow over, you will become the invitation for people to choose greater. And that will create preventing and putting end to all the evil, all what you do not desire. Evil also we were talking about is yesterday. Will end child abuse, will change it.
Kaval, kindly mention about the new book which we are about to read.
I just wrote, I sent the post in the Fun Aging. We are starting a book read from third, a new book, Conscious Leadership. It's not about you are leading anything. It's not about you are not working in a company or you lead. It is how you live. Be a leader of your life in every now moment to choose what works for you. It's a wonderful book. We love you to join us. We start the book. We are starting it on 3rd. We don't know when it finishes. When the book wants to finish, when the group is happy and thinks, okay, we are done, we can choose another one. That's when we do. Sometimes it's 20 days, sometimes it's nearly 1 month, sometimes it's 15 days or less or more. We don't know, the book knows. So we get the energy of it and we do. And we have lots and lots of fun. People who don't want to have fun, don't join. Only those who want to have fun, join. We've been doing it from last nearly a year and some months. And there are some people who are there from the beginning with me. And I'm so very grateful for them. So please join us. We have lots of fun. Thank you, Bindu, for reminding me.
Cover recording, change the record.
नहीं बस अब बंद कर देते हैं.